Kaiser Chiefs are very busy these days. They will be back again in action on Wednesday, going head to head with Imorumo Gallants. Away game. We are here to do a lineup prediction with Coach Cedric Case and also Coach Khalil Ben Youssef, as well as a scoreline prediction. Hoping you guys are gonna drop your own scoreline and lineup prediction in the comments. Like the video as well, it's very important. Okay, but before we start, I would like to confess I did not watch the game ebesiyidlala neZesco United because we had a little msebenzi here, a little mcimbi obukhona, so I was very hands-on. Niyazi ke nani bafethu umcimbi mawukokwenu, you have to be very hands-on. So isikhathi se-TV besingekho, so I missed the game. Kodwa ke I watched the highlights. I know the players, the player who scored. I know who got substituted, who came on late and all that. Kodwa ke le lineup prediction ndizoyiyekela kuni. You guys are gonna do it. The one that I'm gonna make on your screen, you guys are gonna make all the necessary changes. I'm gonna allow you to do that, guys. If ayidlala umdlali who does not deserve to be on this starting 11, make that change. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's begin. Silala neMorumo Gallants bafethu, a team that has been very disrespectful towards big teams this season. If you guys remember earlier on in the season, these guys basenza sadrop ama-points, 1-1 draw. iSundowns nabo badlala nayo, I think yadrop ama-points na iSundowns 1-1 draw, and then babakhipha is it Carling, the trophy that they knocked the Sundowns out of. So this team has been very disrespectful. It's time for one team to humble them a bit. We have to pay revenge. I know we were playing at home that time where we played the draw with them. Now we're playing away. It's kinda not gonna be easy. Kodwa ke hey, South Africa niyazi iChiefs no bengadlala phi, they will always have more fans. So every stadium in SA is a home game for us. So let's go and make this lineup prediction. We're gonna go with the 4-2-3-1. This is the best formation for us for now. Okay, in goals, I don't even have to explain. Brendan Peterson has been our best goalkeeper, so he starts again. 13 clean sheets in all competition. He has been amazing with Brendan Peterson bafethu. Hugo Bros kumele ambize ngoku. Maseyidlala bafana again kumele ambize. This guy has been amazing. On the right, who am I gonna go with? Dylan Solomons. He comes back again. I know last game he kind of a person might say he kind of did not play well. But again, he has been our best right back, so he comes back again. Last game beqale umonyane. Let me know in the comments whether Dylan Solomons is back on the starting 11. Okay, Aiden McCarthy got a yellow card last game. I think he's gonna be played again. The backline yet has been very solid. Umbona nje uPeterson keep ama clean sheets amangaka is because our backline is working very hard in front of him. They try to protect him by all means. So Brandon doing an amazing job, and also these defenders are very good. Zita Kwinika, who has been consistent for us, performing each and every game. Umjita has to be there again. As neMorumo Gallants, you can't even rest Uzita because this guy, this team is very disrespectful towards big teams in Morumo Gallants. So we have to put our best 11 kusaqalwa. So yeah, Zita Kwinika has to be there. Inacio Miguel last game, he also got a yellow card, but I think they're gonna play him since this game is a very serious game. We're also in a title race. Yes, bafethu, ni believe lento. We are in a title race. Remember that you don't even need to beat the Sundowns and Orlando Pirates to win the title. So Tina, compared to the other teams in the Betway Premiership, we have much better players, and we have adapted Tina bafethu. Even though we're playing competitions ngokuzoba 3 since Nedbank izovula nayo, doesn't matter. We have depth, squad depth, bakhona abadlali. So Shao Morumo Gallants, what happened in the first leg of the season must not happen in this leg. Yes, we must not drop points to Morumo Gallants, Swelele, Amazulu, shayani zonke izinto and then thatha league easy. Okay, it's not gonna be easy, kodwa ke we should do it. Okay, in the middle of the park, I want to make changes in the middle of the park. Kodwa Lebohang Mabuwe has to be there, and I think Umjita is one of those players that we do not have many like him in our squad, yabo. So he has to be there, and he has been kinda performing for us. Okay, I wanted to ukufaka lentwana ukuyiqalisa lentwana niyayazi uMabaso, but now do you just start Undlovu, who has been performing recently off the bench just like that for the sake of let's say usiyamrest Undlovu. Champions League, yes, avele siyadlala over the weekend neZesco United, I think, again. Okay, asirest Undlovu, ndifuna ukuqala lentwana igame kuthiwa ngubani igama layo, I forgot this, ndikhohliwe. Mabaso, Thulani Mabaso, there he is. I want to start him. Him and Babuwe as double pivots. Okay, attacking mid, I know Vilakazi last game did not perform, but now I think in the attacking mid position. Last game, I think Kanyisa Mayo was kind of like playing as a playmaker in that game. It kind of did not work. Yeah, so Vilakazi as an attacking mid, we go here. Even though I don't like ukudlala Lomjita here, I think we have to play him because he, at least Umonyane Maikhona badlala kahle bobabini. Makapi Lilepo as a right winger, he plays there. I think he's gonna, this guy has to up his socks. I know that he's not playing in his best position, but why amasokisi sangathi ehlile kuLilepo? Umjita makaperforme, otherwise izomkhuhla bench. Uvele Bhayi ndingamfaka naye, kodwa ke I don't think Umjita ongangenanga even off the bench last game uzovela aqhamuke sezongena start game. I don't think so. I think we might see Uvele Bhayi second half, so that's why I'm starting with Ulilepo again, because at least he came on last game. Okay, I know Lomjita bazomdlala again because he scored last game, so Bulemodi starts again. Okay, we go to the striker position. Who do we play? Do we play Mayo or do we play Flavio Silva? Mayo wants to be on the ball a lot, and then Flavio Silva, as much as Naye a dropper into, sometimes it's a little bit too deep, but I feel like he's the guy that has those that is a striker or sometimes extender in the box, and he has the advantage of being a little bit taller than these defenders in the Betway Premiership, so we have to use that to our advantage. Crosses have to be whipped in, and that guy can finish ngekhand. I don't know why Kaizer Chiefs ingayisebenzisile, because this is an advantage. Even Lilepo is a little bit taller, so whenever we have set pieces, I need these guys to find each other, and as well as Omonyane mabedlala down, uyabazi ukuthi Omonyane uyapusha aye phambili. I need them to whip in crosses because these guys are tall players. We do have them, so we go with Flavio Silva as a striker again. Flavio Silva. So Bafeto, this is my lineup. I have Peterson in goals, right back it's Solomons, left back Aiden McCarthy, two center backs Miguel and Quinica, and double pivots Mabuwe and Mabaso, 6 and 8. Attacking mid is Vilakazi, Ulemoti on the left. We have Lilepo on the right. As a striker, it's Flavio Silva. Kaizer Chiefs to win this game by 2-0. Yes, asikore kakhulu, kodwa I believe that in this game sizowashaya amagoli amabini. So yes, Moromo Gallants siyayihumblisha, siyayidestroya, and sichasa i-league. Like the video, I will see you on the next one.